What is up, babies? I've returned. It's your long lost pal, Uncle Julian, Shift Style 87. We are going on a ride. I just left work. I need to get the hell out of here. And I am going to have lunch with my baby sister. She wants to get Longhorn Steakhouse. I don't think I've ever been to a Longhorn Steakhouse. I don't think so. But we're gonna get there anyway. Next week, babies. Next week. I got my Aero headers in. I got the BT Moto tuner module. I'm gonna install the parts. I don't know why it's so difficult to say that. I'm gonna install the parts. I'm not gonna do a video on it because I'm not personally doing it. I don't know what I'm doing. I watch so many videos of how to do it yourself. I can't do it myself, and I don't want to fuck anything up. So I'm gonna have a professional do it and pay whatever labor rate they charge. Sorry, yeah, oh man, a real man does his own motorcycle. Yeah, I guess I'm not a real man. Who cares? I'm a real man in other parts of my life. I make good money, got honeys, my family loves me, my friends love me. I just don't really know, I'm not really mechanically savvy. Oh well, I just know how to ride these bikes, that's it. I don't know how to work on them. And I'll fuck it up. I know I'll fuck it up. I'm like convinced I'll fuck it up. Sorry for cursing, but it's the truth. Oh, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous 65-degree day. Still no leaves on the trees. Mid-March. Well, it's still early in March. But yeah, I'm excited. Just sold the car at my job. Just made some money. Don't you dare jump out. Oh, there's nobody in the car. Alright. So we're gonna hurry to my sister's. Nice Porsche. I love Porsche. I'm gonna own a Porsche. One of these days I'm gonna own a Porsche. Just like I said, one of these days I'm gonna own a BMW. And now I own a BMW. So how's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? Are you well? I'm well. I'm great. I'm finally on my freaking bike that I love so much. The weather is getting nicer. Is it full spring? Maybe, but I don't care. I really don't care. This bike has been away from me for too long, and I'm really excited about doing the upgrades to it next week. Whatever. Super excited about that. It's gonna change the bike completely. Everybody does exhaust and tune. Everybody's BMW is the same. Everybody got the BT Moto tune. Everybody got the fucking headers. Whatever. I like it. That fucking asshole. Man, it just feels so good to ride. What a feeling. There's nothing like it. There ain't nothing like it. They gotta stop. Not me. I'm a 10 out of 10. Almost 40. No wrinkles. No lip injections. No Botox. All natural beauty. I can't wait to eat. Maybe I should do something about Longhorns. I don't know. Is it worthy? I don't fucking know. I'm worthy. I'm a 10 out of 10. Oh, here it is. We made it! Where's my sister's car? There it is. Hand and stone. Let's get hand jobs. They got a stop sign? Yeah, they got a stop sign. We're gonna run the stop sign, bitch. Verizon. We're Verizon. We made it! All right. We are here, babies. Goodbye.
Perfect. 10 out of 10.
Oh, now I have to censor myself.
No wrinkles. No Botox, no lip injections, nothing. Perfect 10 out of 10, okay? Ever since I cut my hair. Anyway, I know. But I'm in Longhorn Steakhouse. It's my first time here. Very, very Texas. Like everything's
very Red Dead.
Yeah, like my sister said, very Red Dead Redemption. It's our favorite game. We love playing it. We play it together all the time. And yeah, it is really Red Dead. There's like belt buckles on the walls that, you know, we stole from people we killed in the game, obviously.
Yeah.
So much stuff.
From the O'Driscoll gang.
From the O'Driscolls. But I'm going to get a hamburger because, you know what? Yeah, no, stupid. But it's the cheapest thing on the menu and it's lunchtime. So, like, I don't want to overspend on something for lunch. I mean, if it was dinner, yeah, I'd spend money, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's that.
That was a big fucking lunch. That was a huge lunch. But now, I am about to go home to conclude today's wonderful journey. Cold start. So the last time you're gonna hear, maybe the last time you're gonna hear the stock exhaust before I upgrade my life to the Arrow. Stainless steel because I'm a cheap fuck. I saw that woman looking on with her kids. When you're my age, that's all you date is single moms. Either that or you get Gumar. Today was an incredibly fun day. It's a gorgeous day to ride. I still can't believe how warm it got. I feel like I'm overdressed with this thing on. And now, I got a Ranger game tonight at 8 o'clock. Don't even know who we're playing. But I might go to the baseline and hopefully cute bartenders are working. Last time I went with some fucking dude and I was like, oh god, I don't want to be here. But he was fucking cool as shit. minivan. I love cruising on the Parkway. Saw some Kawasaki. Not sure what that red bike was. I saw a Hellcat. Hell no. I don't even think that was a Hellcat. Honestly, I don't know my Dodges. I really don't. All I know is Hellcat. Hell no. That's all I know. Hellcat. Hell no. Whoa, that guy got awfully fucking close. Oh, Hellcat, hell no. Fuck off, dude. There's Hellcat, hell no. I don't even know what the fucking trims are. There's a B on it. Smoke. Oh boy, wanted to smoke. It's alright. You got the rev of the stock exhaust. You got the stock! I am going to keep the Akrapovich can though. I am going to keep it. Because I actually really like the way it looks. If there's something inside of it that I could just like drill out for more noise, I don't think I'm going to do that. I live in an apartment complex and I would like to get along with my neighbors and not wake them up at 7 in the morning when I go to work. You know, I'm definitely considerate. I've got asshole tendencies, but I'm not a complete asshole. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm doing the arrow headers, keeping my exhaust can, the acro can, keeping that. I got a servo buddy, just in case I need one for the exhaust. And then I'm doing a VT Moto Stage 1 tune. And that's pretty much it. It's going to be a completely new bike. I got to get used to again. But it's alright, you know? It's like doing a new position in bed with your girl. One more missionary, now we're doing doggy. Still the same girl, just at a different angle. Yum. God, I love this bike. What a happy, happy, joyous riding day for me. I'm not going to really get much. Tuesdays are my only day off, so I'm going to film and upload every either Tuesday night or Wednesday during the day when I'm at work. Just work with my laptop, get some shit edited. Not very good at editing, you can tell. But I don't got the money to hire an editor. That would be cool. Definitely help. But I don't expect anyone to work free, nor will I have them. But like I said, I'm broke. Broke ass motherfucker. Is what I is. Fuck. The fuck. Brakes are good. Brakes are really good on this bike. Remember, babies, a gentle squeeze on the brake line. Squeeze. Progressive. Like your liberal friend. Progressive. You better not fucking go. This intersection's always fucking hairy. Yes, I know, Andrea, I'm gonna stop cursing so much, but I can't help it. I'm a filthy potty mouth. But anyway. Thank you for watching and joining me on today's adventure. If you like what you see, subscribe. I'm actually getting some more subscribers, which is actually really cool. You know, subscribe, man. Hang out with me. I don't know what the world will bring. I don't know what the future will bring, but I know this bike will be part of it. And everything's going to be wonderful, beautiful. Again, thank you so much for watching. and tune into the next one. I don't know what's going to happen. I just shoot from the hip, all right? Bye, babies. Peace.